Hi and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. Now then, we've got an Audi SQ8 in for one of our detailing packages here. This has got lots of issues too in the paintwork. What we'll be doing today is removing the wheels, getting all these coated as well, getting them off the vehicle. We're doing the full interior of the car, doing the dashboard, all the door cards, treating the carpets, the leather seats, etc. And also we'll be cleaning all the glass up here, the sunroofs too. They're going to get coated as well later on. And we're going to box a few bits and pieces off before we actually get to do the paint correction on this particular car. On this car, lots of issues here with the paint as it's been machine polished incorrectly. So we'll be showing you the buffer trails and everything as we go along. So we've got the wheels coated now, front and back. Massive wheels on this vehicle. So I'm going to get these back on now, and then we'll move on to the next stage. All the external windows have got a coating on, so we're just letting that cure at the moment, and then we'll get the carpets clean. Next thing now is moving on to the paint correction, and this is where it's very important, because we know for a fact this car has been machine polished by somebody else who's probably inexperienced and don't know realistically what they're doing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and have a look around the paint on this car, have a look at the issues. You'll see all the buffer trails and everything that's in the paintwork. Taking a look at the paintwork now on the Audi SQ8 here. Horrendous condition it's in. Lots of swirl marks, buffer trails going on, as you can see here on the bonnet. Absolutely horrendous condition, the paintwork on this car. Taking a look at the passenger side at the moment. All these buffer trails everywhere. Like I've said before, if you don't know what you're doing machine polishing, this is what happens, and it's seeing this time and time again. We've got 20 years experience here, Top Car Detailing, but this is in an absolute horrendous state for the whoever's had a go at this. Right, so now we're just starting to get the find the right polish basically to sort this mess out on this particular car. Now at the moment I've just split the door in two here with a bit of tape, and I'll just show you again. On the right hand side you can see all the buffer trails here, how it's been badly machine polished. Obviously somebody without the experience and that type of thing here, but you can see the shimmers everywhere. And now when we move the light to the left, you can see we're getting more clarity now in the paintwork. Right, to the right a mess, to the left a lot better. And this is very important too, once you've got to know exactly what you're doing machine polishing wise. Right, anyhow, I must crack on. I'm going to carry on around the car and then we'll catch up a bit later on. Always about the finish here, Top Car Detailing after we do paint correction. and getting the depth of clarity in the paintwork and turning cars into mirrors. Just take a look at the reflections in this now. Right, so now we've finished the paint correction on the Audi here. Massive car this as well. Took a hell of a lot of machine polishing to put this one right. You're doing this job, you've got to do it in a methodical manner to get the correction right in the first place, doing it professionally, knowing exactly how much of a cut to take off. Remember before, it's all about knowing about the machine speed, the pads, the right machine, the right compounds as well, and knowing what you're doing. So as I say, turn this car around now. So now what we've got to do is looking for long-term protection on this vehicle. So let's have a look now what we're going to put on this. Now we need a ceramic coating to go on this car. So let's get that. Here we have G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra, the leading ceramic coating in the marketplace today. And with us being G-Technique accredited as well, we can offer you this coating with a 9-year manufacturer guarantee. If you'd like any further information on that, don't hesitate, give us a call and I can give you the right advice moving forward. Also, if you check on our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, got a page dedicated to that coating and it gives you the properties and everything, what it's about, etc. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull the car outside in daylight and go and pan round it, have a look at the finish on this car and see what it's like. Well, that's another mirror finish here at Top Car Detailing, and you can see now the depth of reflections here in the paint. Well, thanks once again for watching one of our videos on our YouTube channel. As I say, lots of hours went in to turn this car around, one of our customers here at Top Car Detailing. And as you would have seen before, somebody inexperienced who doesn't know what they're doing can cause havoc and mayhem on a car's paintwork. And the thing about it as well, for a car this size, you'll be talking thousands of pounds just to get it repainted. So if you're looking to have your car detailed, don't hesitate, give us a call here, Top Car Detailing. We can facilitate your vehicle, give you the right coatings, the right advice moving forward. And as I say, it's about long-term protection as well when you get your car back, knowing full well that it's been done in the right manner. Right, also if you like, hit the subscribe button below on our YouTube channel, hit the bell and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, I've got quite a bit to do, and I shall be back shortly with another nice car. In the meantime, catch you later.